In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Webex app on Android. By the end, you'll have Webex installed from the Google Play Store and be ready to join meetings or sign in with all the right permissions in place. Start by unlocking your Android phone and opening the Google Play Store. This is the official app marketplace on Android, and it's the safest way to get Webex. Once you're in the Play Store, tap the search bar at the top and type the word Webex. You'll see a list of results. Look for the official app named Webex by Cisco, published by Cisco Systems Inc. Checking the developer name helps you avoid lookalike apps and make sure you're installing the genuine, secure version. When you've found it, tap Install. The download will begin right away. Depending on your connection, it may take a moment, so a stable internet connection can speed things up. If your phone is low on storage, clearing a little space beforehand can help the installation finish smoothly. Once the install completes, tap Open. You can also find Webex later in your app drawer or on your home screen if you want to launch it again. On your first launch, Webex will greet you with options to get started. If you have a personal or company account, choose to sign in with your email or your organization's login. This gives you access to your meetings, contacts, and chat. If your workplace uses single sign-on, you may see your company's sign-in page as part of the process. Keep your credentials private and only enter them in the official Webex prompts. If you don't want to sign in, you can still join a meeting directly from a meeting link. For example, tapping a Webex meeting link you received in an email or calendar invite will open the app and take you straight to the meeting, no account required. The app will also ask for a few permissions. Allow the microphone so others can hear you when you speak, and the camera if you plan to turn on video. Enabling notifications lets Webex alert you about incoming calls, meeting invites, and messages, which is helpful so you don't miss anything important. If you change your mind later, you can adjust these permissions anytime in your phone settings. That's it. You opened the Google Play Store, searched for Webex by Cisco, installed it, opened the app, chose whether to sign in or join from a link, and allowed the permissions needed for calls and meetings. You're ready to use Webex on your Android device.